Hey guys, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and we're going to go over a 2017 Honda Goldwing California Sidecar Viper Kit Trike. This is the Viper Kit from California Sidecar, so it's going to be the creme de creme, the top tier from California Sidecar, and like all California Sidecars, it's going to be running a full independent rear suspension, which means you're going to be riding like a dream. And if Honda knows anything about dreams, it's the power of dreams that keeps us on the road. As I come around to the front, all of our trikes are going to be raked, and that's going to be just like having power steering on the front. It's not going to be hard to turn these as well. We've added LED fog lights as well as Sidemarker lights in the ground effects. Ground effects are what CSC calls their running boards, and that's going to protect you from rocks, water, and other road debris. As I get to the back, we have these wonderful chrome wheels with a set of upgraded performance brakes. Those are the red calipers peeking through. And then you have some over-the-fender chrome there as well. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful bike. We've added these. These are one of our favorite accessories for Goldwings, and it's a set of Kuryakyn Arm Rests. One of the armrests is going to have a switchblade cup holder, which is, that's awesome, guys. You're going to be riding down the road. You want to have somewhere for your water, for your soda, just enjoying your time, and these are really going to take care of you for that. They're fully adjustable, so it's built for your comfort. Some more comfort for you for the front rider. We have a nice little, oops, it fell on me, a nice little backrest, and on the back of the backrest, there's actually a compartment here. You can throw in some keys, a wallet, your cell phone, maybe a phone charger. And that's pretty nice. But like I said, those are fully adjustable, but to open the back of the trunk, I'm going to have to actually push those out of the way. As I move around to the back, I have this really nice LED spoiler. That's another thing that we add on. That's just an added light feature that's going to help. And we also added in these chrome bezels around the brake lights. And those are pretty top notch. We also added a trailer hitch because we know you're going to be pulling a trailer. You got to have the little camper to come along with you. Now, the left latch has been disabled. The middle one is going to open your top trunk, and the right one is actually going to open the CSC trunk. So let's open the CSC trunk, and then we'll open the top one here. And I'm going to show you a little view of how big this thing is. It's massive. You can get 2 full-face helmets, and you can also even upgrade and put a CD player in there later, too. Now, as we get into the CSC trunk, it's going to have a nice little light, so when you're stuck out at night, you're not going to be left stranded. You're going to be able to see in there, and it's a completely carpeted interior. There's a nice little sewn-in pocket there, and this net enclosure, which would be perfect for a jack or maybe some shoes to hide your shoes up there, or whatever gear you can really kind of shove in there. It's pretty nice, guys. Let's close that up. I'm going to take another gander. Oh, gosh, so much room in there. So much room. Guys, these are wonderful trikes. They're all built in-house. We take care of you front to back. Come down and see it. We'll take it out for you, and we'll get you out there on a test ride. Come and see us at Heartland Honda. Now, guys, I do want to tell you that this trike is currently on sale, and I want to stress the point that all of our trikes are built in-house by our techs. They have taken the time, they have built up the knowledge, and they are true professionals when it comes to California sidecar kits. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs. All Hondas may be treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work hard.